What is nutrition? Food and nutrition are the foundational elements for health and well-being. They play a critical role in sustaining life, maintaining health, and for the prevention of different diseases. Let's explore the importance of nutrition and effect of nutrition on human health. Basically, nutrition is about eating a healthy and well-balanced diet. But it is defined as the process of taking in food and converting it into energy and other vital nutrients required for metabolism of human body. This food may be in the form of carbohydrates, fat, protein, or vitamins. All these play a crucial role in maintaining basic metabolism of human body and are required in proper amounts. First, we have carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for the body. They are present in grains, fruits, vegetables, whole wheat, etc. Now let's look at what is a zero-carb diet. A zero-carb diet may provide health benefits such as lowering of blood pressure, but it can also cause certain side effects. A no-carb diet means eliminating all carbs from body, including whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. If a person goes on a no-carb diet, then alternatively he must eat foods that primarily contains protein or fat such as fat, meat, fish, eggs, cheese, oils, and butter. Some people who follow this diet eat fruits high in fat such as avocado and coconuts. These foods are high in fiber and contain only a number of digestible or net carbs. Net carbs are calculated by subtracting amount of fiber from total number of carbs. This no-carb diet resembles a ketogenic diet in which number of carb intake limits to fewer than 20 to 50 grams per day. This allows the body to get 60% or more daily calories from fat. How to follow a no-carb diet? Following a no-carb diet simply means avoiding all high-carb foods. Foods and drinks that are allowed in no-carb diet are meat, fish, egg, cheese, butter, oils, coffee, or tea. In short, following a no-carb diet helps in reducing weight. Carbohydrates are important in our diet. Carbohydrates are important for our mind and body due to several reasons. First is their role in increasing healthy gut bacteria, ultimately improving process of digestion. Carbohydrates regulates the blood sugar levels. When people eat food containing carbohydrates, the digestible parts are broken down by the digestive system into sugar, which then enters the blood. Due to rise in blood sugar level, insulin is produced by pancreas, which absorbs blood sugar for energy and storage. Carbohydrate metabolism is important in the development of type 2 diabetes. Without intake of enough carbohydrates, blood sugar level drops to low, causing lethargy and irritation. Carbohydrates are also essential for the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps in regulation of mood. Protein is an important part of our diet. It helps in repairing and building of body tissues. It serves the role of transportation and storage of nutrients and keeps the immune system strong. The word protein comes from Greek word proteos, meaning primary or first. Food sources of protein include meat, fish, dairy, lentils, beans. During periods of growth such as infancy, childhood, and pregnancy, body needs more protein. Let's discuss importance of protein in detail, growth and maintenance. The body breaks down same amount of protein that it uses to build and repair tissues. This typically happens during the periods of illness. People recovering from injury and athletes requires more amount of protein in their diet. Protein causes biochemical reactions. These reactions takes place with enzymes both inside and outside the cells. For example, digestive enzymes like lactase and sucrose helps to digest sugar. Most of these bodily reactions include digestion, energy production, blood clotting, and muscle contraction. Thus, proteins allow chemical reactions in body. Proteins also acts as a messenger in body. This is a common myth that our body needs approximately 20 or 30 grams of protein in a meal. But it is not compulsory because there is variation in body requirements, so the amount of nutrients it requires also changes. Till now this theory is not evident, and it is not true that amount of protein is fixed. But there is a variety of some common eating patterns that can help people to reach their potential diet goals, and that elaborates the minimum to maximum requirement of protein for body. We will discuss these patterns one by one. Eating pattern number 1. Following this pattern of diet, one has to eat small amount of protein at breakfast, a moderate amount at lunch, and a larger amount at dinner, such that in a typical day a person might eat 10 grams of protein or less at breakfast. It includes oatmeals, nuts, and berries. 25-gram protein at lunch, for example cheese or sandwich. 5 grams should be taken as a snack, and 40-gram protein should be taken at dinner, which may include chicken or beef. Next, we have eating pattern number 2. This pattern includes eating a moderate amount of protein at all meals, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. It requires a person to eat 20 grams of protein at breakfast, for example to egg veggie omelette with some beans. In morning, 15 grams of snack, including cheese and fruits, should be eaten, while at dinner 10 grams of soup or meatless meal should be considered. This diet would provide roughly 80 grams of protein. According to Institute of Medicine, the recommended dietary allowance (RDA) of protein is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. Hence, the requirements of nutrients varies individually.